Yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay. Hi, my name is Anastasiia. I'm UX/UI designer in Subsocial company, and today I want to talk with you about your Web2 UX in Web3 using the Polkadot SDK unique capability to onboard 1 billion users. Everything is okay? You hear me well? Yeah? Right now? Okay? Okay, nice. So, I'm very happy to be here. It's my first time it's in Sub0, and I really happy that you are here and today will listen in my speech. If you will hear my voice a little bit nervous, it's because it's my first time. So let's talk. We still have a question: why Web2 continue use why Web3 continue use Web2 patterns? And here we can see what happening now in Web3 ecosystem. Because from on the one hand, all supporters of Web3 talking that everything is clear, the system is smooth, but on the other hand, a lot of users stop their flow on the stage through registration through Polkadot.js, and it's a really problem. We will talk about this problem later. So the first problem is frustrating user experience, because the typical DAO login looks like in this video. Because in the first you need to open an app, understand that wallet required, next choose and install wallet, after that create account, next get token, and finally confirm each transaction. And to be honest, my first experience looked like in this video. Yeah, it's real life. So the next problem is fees, because a lot of users from Web2 come to Web3 because they like the idea about managing their content. But in the real life, then they don't understand why they need to spend their token. So it's a problem, and I know users, and I was these users, which also don't understand why I need to spend my token, yeah? Here you can see a QR code. You can follow it and share with our team, with me, about your opinion, a most common user's pain point. So don't hesitate. So after we talked about the main problem, let's look about the solution, what we already exist today. Grill Chat is an app built on Subsocial. It is a good example of a great Web3 UX. So there is no need to think about the token, estimation, and confirmation. It is really mobile friendly. Oh, sorry. It is really mobile friendly, and also you can connect your EVM or Substrate account to do things like sending tips. Grill Chat can be easy integrate into other account, and it's important. We will talk about these features a little bit later. And the next important features is that it's totally free for end users. We will talk about these features a little bit later too. So let's talk about our analytics. Last month, Grill Chat had over than 10,000 visitors with more than 13 messages sent. And we are proud. It's a really great result for us. So yeah. Next, I want to talk about chatting on chain, because chatting on chain can give us new features, such as share NFT with your friends and discuss them. Also, you can make some donation, and you can connect your EVM address, EVM account, to keep your reputation. So it's really important because these features is not available in Web2, and it's really great. So the next coolest idea, Grill Chat, is one discourse, many clients. This means that one chat or discussion can take place of many sites and devices. For example, we can see how it might look if the Coda or Singular NFT marketplace integrate a grill chat. So we can see the same section on both websites and connect them, yeah? So integration. Integration with grill chat is really easy because it takes just few lines of code, and one community member which already did the integration talk that it took him less than 5 minutes, and it's really true and important. So we also proud this result because it's took a really not a lot of time. So we are also focusing on notification and re-engagement. So far, we have implemented a web push notification and Telegram bot, but we are also focusing on re-engage our user in conversation. Any networks and protocols must have moderation. So we have a client-side moderation, shared block list, and rules and permissions. Right now, you can follow the screen and talking with our development team, with our founder. They are waiting for you in our chat. So don't hesitate, ask some question. If you have some technical question, please ask this question to our development team. I think they will be happy to share with you. And next, let's move on to talking about the parachain design for social use case. How does it work? At the lowest level, we have Subsocial parachain, which provides a set of models, social primitives. Further, based on Subsocial, the OpenCom protocol is built, which consists of a SDK to facilitate interaction with the protocol, a subscript indexer, which allows apply to easily extract data from chain, and storage. From now, storage use IPFS through cross-network, but it could be any solution, like RViv, AWV, or your personal computer. And at the highest level, we have application or integration. So you can integrate with us just a few lines of code, and you remember, one discourse, many clients. The next, I wanted to talk about the parachain design for social use case. In the left side, you can see a Lego blocks. These are social primitives. Many social apps have similar entities, like comments, followers, posts, and other. So using the primitives, you can build any verbs of depth. And with the help of Polkadot SDK, we can build unique UX features, such as creator staking, sponsored transaction, username system, and cross-chain interaction. And let's talk about them in more details. So, sponsored transaction app, creators and user can sponsor other account. What does it mean? Thanks to our development, any account can burn a token and mint energy, which work with a coefficient. As we can see in this screenshot, with 10 sub, you can do around 500 transactions. But by turning 10 sub into energy, you can do around 2,500 transactions. It reduced a cost of using the network by 5 times. So now number can be changed with on-chain governance. Energy can be used for any transaction, just like sub token, but it is not transferable. It is really important. So when you burn sub, the energy can be created into any account. Everyone can easily everyone else account. So the next interesting way to bring more people to Polkadot is cross-chain interaction. It allows users to connect their identity, including ENS, send tips, interact with NFT, and more from other chains like Ethereum or other chains. In conclusion, from the social side, the users use a Polkadot account with a free messengers and stores their real assets in their secure wallet. And finally, we have a new monetization mechanism. It's really important because which motivate creators of content, community, and application to all works toward growing the network. How does it work? Creators of content, community, or application token holders stake their token toward their favorite creators. As a result, stakers will earn the same rewards no matter who they stake to. So it will basically avoid. And creators will earn more or less depending on how many tokens are staked toward them. So this process is already in beta testing, and we will announce about this process in our account, and you will know about this. Thank you for your attention. It's all from my side. If you have some question, please follow this QR code and ask to our development team, because as you understand, I'm just a UX/UI designer and create visual design. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Anastasiia.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.